Yes.
Okay, so we are using the word just in our sentences. So have a look at this picture. What do you see? And you can write whatever you like as long as you use the word just.
Is that a bed?
That looks like a bed. He looks like he's in his pajamas as well.
Yeah. So he just woke up in the morning.
He's just woken up in the morning. He is just up in the morning. Good. You can submit that.
Answer may vary. Seek help from a
Okay,
teacher
same
or a
again.
parent.
We're going to look at the picture
Ready.
and we're going to write a sentence using the word just in our sentence. So what's going on in this picture?
No, they just bought a new car.
They've just bought a new car. Can you write they've instead of they have?
They,
Yep. It's like an abbreviation of have. That's good. That's right. Well done.
just bought a new car.
Bought a new car. That's right. They've just bought a new car. Wonderful.
Answer may vary. Seek help from a teacher or a
Last
parent.
one. You're doing really well.
Ready.
Same again, using just in the sentence. Write anything you like.
They've just arrived at the race.
They've just arrived at the race. Sounds good to me. Oh, you've forgotten your just. Everything else is right though. They've just arrived
At the race.
And read it out for me before you submit it to check it.
They've just arrived at the race.
Wonderful. You can submit that.
Answer may vary.
Done.
Seek help from a teacher or a parent.
Well
Ready.
done. Okay, that's brilliant work.